Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select display. Here you have to select home screen and pick wallpaper. And it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be something from your wallpaper gallery, one from live wallpapers, or some from your photos. Let me pick wallpaper gallery. And here you've got some possibilities, so smoothly select the one that you would like to apply. Let me come along all of them. And then just pick the one that you would like to have. So for example, it can be this one, or maybe some more colorful, maybe that one. And then just click on set wallpaper. And this is it. As you can see, wallpaper has been changed. So from now on, you can use your device with this brand new wallpaper. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change wallpaper in your LG K11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.